Hey everyone, and welcome to a quick 99-cent only store haul. Where have you been? I've missed you all so much. But let's just jump right into it. Non-food items, 15 count grocery bags, 13 gallon. They work great for us. We don't have any problems with them, and we also take our trash out like every day. But they work great, and it's 99 cents for the 15 count. 2 gallon bags. I use those for everything, to store stuff around the house, but also food and so on and so forth. 99 cents. And then sandwich bags. Please say these are sandwich bags. Yes, sandwich bags. This is a 35 count, 53 or 35? 35 count. 10 count on the bags. You can't go wrong with that. This is a 2, and it was 99 cents for those. Y'all know we keep the bags, and I keep my snack bags. That's just what I go to portion everything. $2.99 for this power strip cord here. We have a lot of electronics plugged up to a lot of stuff, so we're gonna try this out and see how it works. This thing, I'm really anxious to see how this works. Kitchen Life Essentials Magnetic Heat Bag Resealer. This is really interesting. If you guys want to see a review on how this worked, if it worked, and all that good stuff, just leave a comment down below, and I'll let you know how it goes. If you follow, if you follow our vlog videos, you'll probably see how it goes. I'm sure I'm gonna end up using it there. I needed a stapler. I'm getting rid of a lot of junk mail, all that kind of stuff. And you need a stapler in your house, right? Family size chocolate frosted flakes, $1.99. Everything over here was 99 cents. Besides this was $2.99. The family size frosted flakes were $1.99. Family size Fruit Loops with marshmallow were $1.99. That's it, just $2 for the big family size. Honey Nut Cheerios, they were only 99 cents. You guys see this? 36 bars. You understand that? 36 bars of the Nature Valley Mega Pack, 99 cents. That's it, just 99 cents. Crunchy granola, these things are amazing. This retails for $3 or more in the store. That retails for $3 or more in a regular grocery store. This retails for at least $8 or more in a regular grocery store. You guys know Cheerios are $2 or more in a regular grocery store. 99 cents, $1.99, $1.99, 99 cents. Betty Crocker Complete Pancake Mix, 99 cents. You guys know this retails for at least $4. On sale, maybe 3 something close to 4. Only 99 cents. A whole head of broccoli, 101. That's how much it came out to, 101. So that, you want more, honey?
Yes, I want another one like that. That was delicious.
I'm glad you liked it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Just stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that red subscribe button down there till it turns gray. And then there's a gray bell down there to hit. So anytime when we upload a video, you will get a notification of that video. You guys know we have a lot going on our channel here. We brought the family vlogs to this one channel. We're going to build this one up, and then if we have to separate, we will. If not, we will enjoy you guys right here. Tell the folks, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.
You always do this.
Ciao.